I could understand the question.
Incredible.
Yeah, I was really impressed.
But most importantly, sir, we are talking of the present. My leader, my boss, is someone who also grew up in the finance ecosystem. He was a financial controller for ExxonMobil. He was a transformative leader in Lagos. Subsidy removal, alignment of the exchange rates, tax reforms, so many ongoing reform efforts, and our economy has turned the corner. We have crossed the Rubicon and we are on a path to sustain growth. So we seek for your collaboration in fundamentally 2 or 3 areas. One is the African Atlantic Gas Pipeline that is supposed to take gas from Nigeria to Morocco. And because of the Europe-Maghrebi gas pipeline, it can easily reach Europe. And with all the challenges, the geopolitical challenges in Europe, with Russian gas having problems, and with the demand for energy rising because of AI, data mining, storages, and so on, will be in advantage position to take advantage of these opportunities. And a lot of littoral West Africans say that have discovered gas are more than willing to plug into the system and feed their gas to other. Nigeria is actually a gas nation. We are not an oil nation. And because of our population, we either take care of the young men, our average age is 16.9. The demographic bulge, we either take care of them or they take care of us 10, 20 years down the line. So this is why we are in a hurry to develop in our enlightened self-interest. And gas provides us with the utmost opportunity to generate wealth for our people. The other issue we are seeking collaboration has to do with the recharging of the Lake Chad. You know, as I said earlier, there is an incestuous relationship between the economy and the ecology in the Sahelian region. The challenges of Boko Haram, of ISWAP, cannot be disconnected from the realities of existential threats we are facing. The Lake Chad hitherto was 25,000 square kilometers. It has shrunk to 2,000 square kilometers. So there is the issue of the recharging of the Lake Chad from the Congo River basin.